So hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video we are going to learn some more new concepts. So if our requirement is like we want to do some operations on our data. For example, we want to do arithmetic operation on our data. So how we can do that, we are just going to learn in this video. So let us suppose I just want to add two numbers. The first number is 1 and second number is 2. Okay, so let me assign this thing to a variable s, and now if I print value of s, you can see 1 plus 2 as it is, it is stored inside s. So why so? Because as I told you in my last video, like everything is treated as string in shell scripting. Okay, so that's why it is stored like as it is inside the variable s. So I want to add these two numbers, means I just want to perform arithmetic operations on my data. So how I can achieve that in shell scripting? So we have multiple ways, so I am going to show you some ways. Okay, so first one we have is, first method we have is like we can use xpr command. Second one is we can use let command also, and another way is like we can use binary calculator. Fourth way we have is like this is the expression, you can say like this will tell our interpreter that treat this data as an expression and solve it. Okay, same way we have one more expression, or I can say dollar double bracket and close. So these are the some way. So how you can use these, I will show you practically here. So let me start from the expr command. So how expr command works, so you have to remember the syntax. You have to use expr, and then here you have to pass the expression. So what is expression here? 1 plus 2 is known as expression here. Okay, so my requirement is 1 plus 2. I just want to add these two numbers, but it will throw me error here, or it will print as it is, but it didn't solve our problem. So why so? Because the syntax of xpr is something like this. After 1 you have to, or I can say after first data you have to give space, and then after the operator, so here we are going to here we are using plus operator. So after plus you have to also give the space. Now enter. So here you can see 1 plus 2 3. So if you want to store this thing inside of variable, then how you can do that? So this will throw me an error. So why so? Because everything it is interpreter treat s as a command, but we have to tell interpreter that this is our command. So and we want to store output of this inside this variable. So here is the concept of command line substitution comes. So here is the syntax, like this will tell your interpreter or shell that this is an expression, or you can say this is an command. Okay, so treat this as a command and then enter. Okay, so you have to write dollar, then bracket, and then your expression or command, then bracket close. Now if I print $s, so here you can see the value of s is 3. So this was the one way using xpr command. Now I just want to perform operation using let command. So how you can use the let command? So here you have to type let, after that any variable name. So let me take s again, and then you have to use equal to symbol, and here you have to pass your expression. Now if you print dollar, let me take another values here, let me take here 3. Now if you do echo $s, here you can see 4. So here what happened, so this is the syntax basically you have to follow. You can't write like directly, like if you let 1 plus 3, so it will not give any error, or it will also not show any output to you. It basically doesn't perform anything. Okay, so let me check one thing, just hold on guys. So I just want to show you one thing. Okay, so what was the syntax? This was the syntax, like you have to use let command, after that name of the variable inside which you want to store the data, or you can see output, or you can say output of the expression. Okay, then you have to pass the expression. So there is one more way to use let command. For example, what I want to do, let, here I am taking a variable a, I am passing value 2, and I also want to create one more variable named b, passing value 3. Now what I want, I just want to add these two numbers. So how you can do $a, how you can do this like this, $b. Okay, and you have to store this inside s. Okay, so here it is giving me error like dollar plus operand expert token is plus. So maybe here you have to provide the space or something else. Let me check it. A is equal to 2. Okay, I have to use variable here, right? Now if I do echo s, you can see 5, 3 and 5. Okay, so this is the one more way, like how you can solve the problem. So this was the thing. Another way we have binary calculator. I will show you this part at last, but first of all let me show you this one, like how you can use this expression. So let me take variable again as, you can take any variable, and here this is the like syntax you have to follow, dollar then square braces. Now inside this you have to pass your values, or I can say expression. Okay, so now if I do echo $s, 6 is the value of s. So this was the one more way, like to solve your problem. And last one is this one. So let me do it for you again. So this was the syntax. Now inside this you have to pass the values. So 11 plus 11. Okay, echo $s 22. Okay, these are some ways like how you can perform operation on your data, arithmetic operation on your data. But what if like floating value, or I can say the values will be in decimal form? For example, if I put here 1.1 plus 1.1, it will throw you an error. It will not, interpreter will not be able to understand what you are trying to do. So this was the drawback here, like we can't solve the decimal values, or I can say floating values here. So if we want to perform operation on the floating values, then how we can achieve that? So here we have method, or I can say that command binary calculator. Okay, so how we can use the binary calculator? So it is simple, like you can pass integer value also, decimal values also. Okay, so for example, let me show you the first. Just hold on. So here what I have to do, equal. So just hold on, screen got hanged. Okay, so I just want to solve this using BC, using binary calculator. So let me show you like basic, like how you can use binary calculator. So simply you have to type the command BC, then enter. It will launch you inside the binary calculator. Now here you can see like 1 plus 2, it is showing me 3, 1.1 plus 1.1. okay, so here you can like perform the arithmetic operation on your data. So but we want to use it our requirement is we want to use inside our script. So how you can use that? So we have one way, like echo, and here we have to pass values. For example, I have a variable a having value 11, not 11, 1.1, and b having value 2.1. okay, I just want to add these two numbers. So how I can achieve that? For that I have to echo $a plus $b, and we have pipe symbol, so I will explain you this command. So let me first run this one. This is binary calculator. So here you can see our output is 3.2. that is absolutely correct. So what I did here, so echo $a plus $b, let me show you the output of this. The output of this is this one. So this symbol which I use in command is known as pipe symbol. So what this pipe symbol will do, it will not print your output on the screen. It will send this data. Which data? This data. Where? To this binary calculator. So basically what happened, binary calculator get the data, this one, and calculate it and give you the output. So this is the way like how you can use this binary calculator inside your script. So this was the some interesting thing I want to know you. So that's all for this video. We will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.